Cause them a move like madman. Come. Half a tree? Alright, come.
Yeah, yeah, Bob. Good. Half a tree.
Alright. Tati come. Brown.
Road.
With a few there we do no kids room, big room in a belly me they have to shift. Pretty like flower, it's true. Oh no, me like flowers and bloom. Yeah, whenever you're lonely, show me I'm a dead in a hurry. No need for nobody, no worry.
That's off. Sanitize. It's coming like with again. Too much and ice. Where that two can do the beef patty at that 290. Meatloaf 280. Then one and the paper na girl. Now they get up watch out for it. Because you want to eat our patty properly now, but we don't know why you not eat it. I don't know why. Eh? You not eat it all the time. You have to come in here, boss. Oh, you want something? Finally get a bus to bus stop. Crazy park. Can't wait to reach home. Alpha Tree Crazy Park, Spanish Town bus. Crazy Park bus stop. Park. Today, at supermarket. My mother. Of the veneno. Where is it? Ginger beer. Don't they so? Come and see it. Started supposed to have vlog. She take the phone and she take it and put it in her purse instead of vlog. And now I want to finish, me realize that she don't have vlog. So, I'm not playing me at all. No, wait till them picture that. Oh, let's see the damage me done right so. So guys, we reach home. We never do as much vlogging as I wanted to. What made the plan for do today? Never do as much because before I leave home I wasn't feeling well at all, and it delayed the time that I'm supposed to leave home. So that was one of the reasons why I didn't take out the phone and vlog a lot, and Tati didn't want to because I give her the phone to vlog. Every time I give her the phone she take it put in her bag. So I end up never do as much as I wanted to vlog, but I still hope and enjoy the little clips that I did vlogs. Okay, so reach home safely, in sanitize and eat. So see you in our next video. All right guys, take care of yourself. Peace.